This is a reaction video, let's go with it. Oh, let's finally do the reaction video, bye! So we're going on this ringtone thing. Zedge is going to rage.
Message. Message.
Oh, I've heard of this.
Message. 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 Hello.
Angry here.
Oi, you! Yeah, you! What are you looking at? Don't you know this is a private phone call? Look away, you nosy sod!
Weird. Weird, weird, weird. Weird. Weird, weird. Bees. Hello.
Hello! Hello! Hey! Hello!
Short. Oh God.
Oh, God,
Oh God damn.
Fuck off!
Oh jeez, not that.
no! Oh, God, no!
Oh God damn.
Oh, God, no!
Anyway, that's it. Today's video. Yeah. Just some weird stuff. Yeah. So you may recognise one of the ringtone things. Angry Grandpa in the background. Going, oh God damn. He's crazy though. Yeah. Tomorrow afternoon is a surprise. Surprise! I always get excited. And in 10 weeks' time, guys, I am going to be doing a vlog in the airport in 10 weeks' time at Bristol. Oh no, you're not allowed to film in the Bristol airport. Actually, yeah, I'm going to do it. And on the plane. But I have to upload it once I get Wi-Fi at the hotel. So please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Ready for surprise.